Which actor did you like acting with the most?
Dilip Kumar Saab.
Dilip Kumar.
Then Manoj Kumar. He was so easy to work with. Devanand Saab. And Raj Kapoor Saab तो थे ही genius.
Devanand Saab as a director ki as a co-star?
As a co-star.
Okay.
हरे राम हरे कृष्णा 3-4 पिक्चरें की, देश परदेश जो दोनों बहुत बड़ी हिट हुई थी. बाकी कुछ एक पिक्चरें उनकी.
Des Pardes was shot abroad as well as. So
Yeah.
is it different when you shoot outside the country? कुछ मतलब does it give you extra creative space?
Well, it does, because you come to see the places, like the very first picture of his, Prem Pujari, and the first trip of mine abroad was in that film.
Prem Pujari?
I've never been abroad. तो स्विट्जरलैंड में जाना था.
That was the army film, Prem Pujari, right?
Prem Pujari was romantic army. That was different film. Yeah.
That there's a story to that film that there's one scene in Prem Pujari in which Devanand is crying, and he takes the cap and he crushes it and cries. And it was a film based on army, and my father was there to see that there was nothing which was because he was at that time with the army, so his role my father was there to see that कोई ऐसी चीज ना हो जो it was against the army, right? तो उस वक्त उन्हें एक बेरे को क्रश करना था और वो बेरे उन्हें मिल नहीं रहा था, मतलब the one that they had was not right, so my father had given his and he took that and he crushed that scene, crushed the cap, and he told him कि ये तो क्रश बेरे था कि एक कोई कैप था उस वक्त यूनिफॉर्म का कैप, तो वो उन्होंने क्रश किया था in that. I don't know which war it was.
Prem Pujari was a romantic film. There's
62 war?
हम दोनों
correct. In which one double role था उनका शायद उसमें ना. Correct.
बहुत बढ़िया किया था उन्होंने, बहुत बड़ी हिट थी वो.
हाँ.
That was directed by his own brother, I think, Vijayanand. He was a great director.
Yes, I've interviewed him once.
Yes, he was an excellent director.
Yeah.
I worked with him in Chupa Rustam, and then Teesri Manzil.
Okay.
And then he wanted to take another film, but everybody after that 3-4 films went sick.
Okay.
God has been kind to me.
But when you were acting with Devanand, is he like he's thinking about his role, right? He's the leading man. आप लीड में नहीं हो उस वक्त, तो फोकस डायरेक्टर का सिर्फ देवानंद पे होता है, उनका भाई डायरेक्ट कर रहा है, वो लीड रोल पे है.
वो तो भाई तो उसका एक आध पिक्चर की, उसके बाद हिमसेल्फ
नवकेतन फिल्म्स, आई थिंक इट वाज
राइटिंग स्क्रिप्ट एंड डायरेक्टिंग फिल्म्स हिमसेल्फ.
हाँ.
That was his forte totally. He wanted to be a director. You see, the difference between two brothers was, one was the super director, Vijayanand, and one was the super duper hero.
Yeah.
But the super duper hero wanted to be a director, and the super director wanted to be a hero too. तो खैर जो वो कामयाब तो हुए, because they were very talented brothers. And देव साहब तो कमाल थे, उनके साथ काम करना इतना अच्छा लगता था. It was so easy to work with him. And I was there in Kathmandu, shooting for Kathmandu, this Hare Ram Hare Krishna. So I saw the members of the staff there talk like him, speak, walk like him, and act, and ये उसके
वो जो फ्लेयर था,
वो अपना उनकी very people used to not copy him, but fortunately, automatically it used to be that thing. You would talk to him, he would talk to you. You see, this is that. Okay. And then you see, do that. So that used to be very exciting and inspiring for the people who were working with him. So it was a great thing.
उनका वो जेस्चर बहुत होता था ना?
Yeah.
हाथ ऐसे ऐसे करके.
ये करना, वो करना.
पर वो रियल लाइफ में भी ऐसे ही थे?
No, in real life, he was a very highly educated boy and person, and
he was also from Lahore, right?
He was born in Lahore, I think so.
Yeah.
I'm not very sure. And in real life, he was not that. He was a very good fellow.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.